Alright, so earlier today, I was watching this video called Air Raid Siren, who, this one user, Stupid Shit, put on YouTube. Now, it was so funny to watch that I actually decided to do it myself. On my MP3, I got an Air Raid Siren, and we're going to go play it as loud as we can. See how people around here react. And we're going to do the Air Raid Siren on this MP3 right here. I have no idea how it's going to work out, but we're going to see how it goes.
On the vehicle.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. It's gonna be pretty funny. Oh my god. Alright, listen to this. We're gonna do a chainsaw now.